Hello everyone, I am Arpit Kumar Sharma and welcome back to Pably. So today I am going to tell you how you can send messages in Google Hangouts chat whenever there is a new campaign on your MailChimp account. Now, what is happening here? Whenever you are creating a new campaign in your MailChimp account, that would automatically be sent to your Google Hangouts channel, and on that particular channel all of your team members will be notified about the new campaign in your MailChimp account. Now, whosoever is running this campaign is responsible for this campaign, but if you want to notify all of your team about this campaign, what will happen? Automatically on your Google Hangouts account, the message will be sent to your team, and then your team can check the campaign and can have an eye on the campaign as well. Now, to do this automation, we are going to use an integration and automation service, Pably Connect, which will help us connect MailChimp and Google Hangouts together. Now, if you want to learn how to do this automation, you have to come with me to the screen.
And we are back at our screen. So what we have to do, we have to go to address bar and type in pably.com/connect, and you can see it will be redirected to this website here. And here you have two options: either you can sign in or you can sign up. Signing in is absolutely easy. If you already have an account, you can go for sign in. If you do not have an account, go for sign up. Signing up is absolutely free, and we are also giving you 100 free tasks every month. So go and sign up now. We are just going to go for sign in because we already have an account here. Login. And here you can see I have these softwares here. So my first software is Pably Connect, and I am going to click on access now for Pably Connect. And it is taking some time, so it's okay. Now you can see here these are my automations. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to click on create workflow to create a new automation, and here I am going to give it a name. Now here we are going to give our workflow a name, so I am going to name it MailChimp to Google Chat. Because I am connecting these two applications, I am giving it this name. Let's just click on create, and here you can see we have two windows. First one is trigger and second one is action. Now trigger window is the window where an event is happening at the start of the process. Action window is the window where an event is happening at the end of the process or when the final event is happening. So here in our trigger window, we are creating a campaign in our MailChimp account. So we are going to go MailChimp and new campaign. Now you can see we have this webhook URL here. So this webhook URL will help us connect our MailChimp account to our Pably Connect account. And here what we are going to do, we are going to go to our MailChimp account. From here, we are going to go for audience. Click on manage audience, go to settings. After that, you have to click on webhooks. So let's just search for webhooks. Here we have webhooks. Then click on create webhook, and here what you are going to do, you are going to uncheck all of these and keep campaign sending as it is and check via the API. Now just copy this webhook URL from here, go back and paste it here. Okay, now click on save. And now your MailChimp account is connected to your Pably Connect account. So you can see we have added our webhook here. Now what we are going to do, we are going to go here, and here you can see it is asking us for the response. So we will just go and click on recapture webhook response. We will go back here, click on campaigns, all campaigns. And here I am just going to go for my email campaign. So I have this email campaign here. You can see Pably Connect campaign. So what I am going to do now, I am going to create a new campaign here. So what I will do, I will click on create campaign. Now I will click on design email. And here you can see we have the name of the campaign. So let's just edit this name first. I am creating a campaign for Pably subscription billing. Okay. So save this. Now here it is asking you to, so edit your recipients. Click on this, select first name and last name, click on save. From Ashi, and this is my mail address. Click on save again. Now subject, we have to add the subject. Subject is Pabbly subscription billing. Click on save. And here content, so design email. And here you can see you have all the layouts here. So just go for simple text. And here, if you want to add a simple text, you can add a simple text. If you want to add any image, you can add image. Just delete this here. Delete this as well. And let us just go for an image. Browse. And insert this image here. You can see this is the image. Click on continue. And you can see our task of creating our campaign is almost finished. Now here, and now what we are going to do, we are just going to go here and we are going to click on send. As soon as we will click on send, you will see here in our webhook response, a response will be received. So click on send now. And now our campaign has been created, and here you can see it is written share your campaign. And when we will go to our Pabbly Connect account, here we should have our response. So let us just wait for the response here. And here you can see we have this type campaign fired at data ID, data subject is Pabbly subscription billing. And here we have all the response that we wanted from that application. So now we have connected our MailChimp account to our Pabbly Connect account. Now what we are going to do, we are going to go to our action step, and here we are going to go for our next application, which is Google Chat. So Google Hangouts Chat is the application, and here we are going to create a new message. Now click on connect, and here you can see we require chat webhook URL and a message. So from where you are going to get this chat webhook URL, you will go here. And this is the Google Enterprise account, and you are going to get this manage webhook section only in Google Enterprise account. So you need to get that account. Click on manage webhooks, and after clicking on manage webhooks, what you have to do, you have to just delete this. Let me just delete this and add another. Now here it is asking me for the what should I say, for the URL. So what I'm for the name. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put it here, MailChimp to Google Chat. And now I will click on save, and as soon as I will do that, you can see this is the new URL I have. I will just copy this, go here and paste it here. Now I will use a technique which is called mapping, and I will map the data from this window here in this window. So I'm just going to write manually, we have a new campaign, and here I'm going to map in my campaign Pabbly subscription billing. Okay, I'm writing this message. You can write any message you want to, and I am sending this message to my Pabbly Connect account. So I will just go and click on save and send test request, and as soon as I will do that, you can see here in my Pabbly Connect account I have a new message. We have a new campaign Pabbly subscription billing. Now you can create message in your own way, whatever message you want to create. I have just created this one. We have a new campaign Pabbly subscription billing. Okay, so now our automation is successful, and this is how you can connect your MailChimp to your Google Hangouts chat, so that whenever you are going to have a new campaign, you are going to have a new message on your Google Hangouts chat to your team members. And if you do not want to create this automation, you can just clone this automation from my account, but for that you need to have an account, and for that you need to go and sign up. Signing up is absolutely free, and we are also giving you 100 free tasks every month. So do not wait, go and sign up now. Hasta la vista.
So thanks a lot for watching our video. I hope you understood everything. Now, if you want any other events to edit in our module, what you can do is you can mail us at admin@pabbly.com. If you have any queries regarding this software, you can just ask your queries at this website, at this link. And if you want to check the prices, you can visit here to this link and check the prices of the software. Now, I just want to tell you that automation is a boon for us and it can change the future, and I will suggest you to take this as quickly as possible, which will ease your task, save your time, and save you a lot of efforts. Thank you.